Hi there, my name is Andy Kobelinsky and I'd like to invite you to my class on Saturday, the 17th of February, the festival The Best You. I'm going to be teaching some yin yoga. I'm pretty much in love with yin these days myself. It really changed the way I practice my yang. I'm going to be reading some poetry, some Rumi, some Latsu. The poetry really helps to take your mind out of the postures and just eases you with your breath, somewhere to go, sometimes can be a bit trippy. To yin means to accept, to relax into who we are, to accept what's going on with us at the moment, in our lives, in our careers, with our families, with our friends. The only way to move forward these days is if you accept, and then you can move forward. Beautiful practice, really soothing for the soul, for the spirit, and of course for the physical body. We're going to be bringing some prana, some fresh oxygen into the joints, into the fascia and the connective tissue, and hopefully you feel great after. High in spirits and more space in the physical body. Hope to see you there, Saturday the 17th, 4 p.m, yin yoga and poetry with me, Andy. Thank you.